Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Lulu's cartoons. I sent in my photo, which is basically my husband and I. We were in Honduras at this point. We were living there for the year and we just took this photo at the mall, and it was just a really cute memory and a really cute photo. So I had her illustrate it for me. These are the results. As you can see, it looks exactly like the photo, minus we are cartoonized. As you can see, I mean, she just did such an incredible job in terms of, I mean, every single little detail, even like the security cameras and different stuff like that. And it's actually on both sides. I mean, this is definitely easily gonna become one of my favorite mugs. Actually, probably my husband's, because of the fit and handle of it. His favorite mug actually literally looks similar size and shape to this already. So I can see him using this like every day. Plus, I like that it's kind of like, you know, festive, you know, so there's like a reason, you know, for it being on a mug, you know, instead of just a random photo. But regardless, I mean, it's just such a cute idea, you know, like a gift to give somebody, you know, for a season, for a holiday, for a birthday, or something like that. I don't know anybody who doesn't want to be cartoonized, right? Look at the incredible detail. Compare that side by side once again. Like, it's like identical. Lulu's cartoons really did a good job on this, and I really enjoy the outcome. You can get yourself cartoonized on anything. They also have canvases, which is what this is. So I haven't opened it up. I just opened it up really quickly. I haven't checked it out yet. Let me show you what image this is supposed to look like. This is the image this is the photo that I wanted done because my husband has really been getting into disc golf recently, and he's just been like, I mean, winning tournaments, going to league, and just doing an incredible job. So I really wanted to get, you know, this photo memorialized for him as one of the first few times that, you know, we had gone disc golfing together prior to him winning all these competitions. Whoa! All right, I can already see kind of through the paper, and it looks so good. And it's also really big. I specifically chose the 16 by 20 because it's a size that you can get, you know, viewable from any distance. It's not too big, not too small, you know, it's kind of like got that happy medium. All right, for the reveal. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cute. Wow, I mean, the amount of detail that is in here, and it's just, I mean, it looks exactly like the photo once again. You can ask Lulu's cartoon specifically if you want it to be, you know, a exact replica, like, you know, like this, or if you want something a little bit more cartoonish, like for example, if you guys want to turn into Bart Simpson's family, I don't know, something from, I don't know, Pokemon or something, you know, different, you can do that as well. But for me, I really wanted something that was very memorable, a photo, doing an activity that, you know, we've enjoyed together. Actually, he kind of dragged me a little bit to do this, but this is something that he would really like, and it's good for him. You might notice that in this photo, like my hair like is a little bit like more on the back. So I asked her specifically if she could change my hair and make it a little bit more to the front. So you can also have them like change and edit your photo specifically to how you want it. I also, you see, if you notice, my husband's beard is like super huge there because of COVID. I told them to trim his beard and give him a little haircut, and they did. So that's the close-up. And just like the line work and the detail, I mean, look at the grass over here and the shoes. Oh my gosh, the shadow of the disc golf. Wow, I mean, down like every single detail, they just like really nailed it. They send you the digital copy too for you to double check, make sure that it looks good before they print it, just so that, you know, you can make sure there's any changes that you want. But in general, I mean, and I mean, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a little bit shiny and almost like lifelike. It's just such a beautiful rendition of such a beautiful memory that we have. Highly recommend Lulu's. Get yourself cartoonized today. Check out the link below to purchase your, you know, whether you want yourself on a canvas, on a mug, on a hat, on a shirt. They really do take pride in their designs. The results speak for itself, to be honest. I don't know, let me know in the comments, which would you prefer? Which would you get, you know, your significant other and or yourself and or your friend or family or whoever? Would you get a mug, or would you get a canvas, or would you get a t-shirt? Let me know in the comments. Which one of these do you like better? If you like product unboxings and openings, continue watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.